Alright, g'day folks. If you're new to the channel, I'm Antonio. Bennett's just over to the side there, and Chino unfortunately can't come today because we are at Monarto Safari Park. It's about an hour east of Adelaide, and it's the largest safari park outside of Africa. So anyway, come and join us as we explore Monarto Safari Park. Alright, so one of the first things we're doing is we've booked in to do a lion feeding experience. Now, we're actually not going to be feeding the lions ourselves, but we'll be in the same enclosure. You can pay to view the lion feeding, and you can also pay to actually feed the lions. And you can choose either one of those experiences. So the first one we're doing is the lion feeding experience.
We now jump on the bus for our next experience, which is the giraffe feeding. now jump on the Zoo Loop bus to explore the rest of the park.
Alright, there you have it. What a great experience. We did the lion 360 where we got to see the lion feeding. We did the giraffe feeding as well, which was absolutely awesome. And we get to ride on the bus around the actual safari park. Now obviously the weather wasn't on our side, but nonetheless we did have some great fun there exploring the park. Now if you like this short little snapshot, make sure you hit like and subscribe and join us for our next one as we explore Australia.